Overnight temperatures in my area are dropping below freezing, so we have to prepare the greenhouse and irrigation system for winter. Hi everyone, welcome to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. I am located in the northeastern part of the U.S. and am considered to be in Zone 6B. The temperatures can get as low as negative 17 degrees Fahrenheit, but the average low temperature during the winter season is 24.5 degrees Fahrenheit. We can grow leafy and root vegetables all through winter by covering this structure with 3 to 5 mil clear plastic. This can also be done on a smaller scale. The first thing is to remove all of the end caps on the irrigation tubes to allow the remaining water to be pushed out when we force the air through. Then we prep the air compressor and adjust the pressure as needed. I set it to 80 pounds per pressure. This seems to work well with removing the excess water from the tubes while also not damaging the tubes or pipes. Check the pressure regulator. If too high, simply adjust by turning the knob to release some of the pressure. But make sure to read the instructions for how to care for and handle your air compressor. Now, we have two options for how I installed this irrigation system. We could leave everything connected and simply connect the air compressor valve to the white horizontal bar and make sure to shut off any air going back to the well. Or we could remove the green water hose from the water source and connect the air compressor valve to it. In this case, we went with the green water hose. Here we are entering the greenhouse and removing the caps from the front bed, as well as confirming all of the other caps are removed before flushing the water out of the irrigation system. Now it's time to connect the water hose with the adapter on it to the air compressor. Now, as soon as this valve is inserted, it will begin to flush the water out the irrigation system. These same steps can be followed for someone with a sprinkler system. Just make sure no airflow can go back into the house or the water system. You should have a shutoff valve between these points for protection. And depending on the size of the sprinkler system, you may need to perform these steps for each zone. This is a small setup I have here, so there's only one connection to flush out the whole system. This irrigation system was installed over 2 years ago. It has freed up so many hours of manually watering the garden during the spring and summer seasons, as well as the fall. Once the sides of the greenhouse are pulled down, the moisture is pretty much trapped. So we do not water the greenhouse very often during the winter. When it does need to be watered, we do so by hand on sunny days. Greenhouse plastic can be pretty costly if purchased from a company that specializes in greenhouses. If you are interested in a cheaper solution, try buying it from a big box store. I purchased this 24 by 50 foot greenhouse plastic from Home Depot for about $90, and it fits my 12 foot by 48 foot greenhouse perfectly. Now I need to see how long it will last. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have enjoyed this video.